The Utrean Central Bank shall increase the UCBIR interest rate by 25 basis points, or 0.25%, raising the UCBIR interest rate from 0.5% to 0.75%. As of the March 27th calculation, it is estimated that Utrea has experienced an acceleration in the rate of inflation, with the inflation rate rising to 1.45%. and climbing out of deflation following an inflation rate of minus 0.75% in February. Excess supply and a limited selection of grocery items is still apparent. However, the Utrean central market has seen an extremely high level of sales similar to the levels previously seen in November and December 2023, and as a result, this has moderately reduced the amount of excess supply. It should be noted that excess supply is still apparent on certain grocery items. The Utrean government, in accordance with the Utrean Central Bank, has just officially initiated quantitative tightening as of April 3, 2024, following the announcement of such plans on March 8, 2024, during my statement regarding the UCBIR Interest Rate Decision for March. The Utrean government has incurred 10,000 TSK of debt through the issuance of treasury bonds to initiate quantitative tightening, and the Utrean Central Bank, in accordance with the Utrean government, shall make further decisions regarding quantitative tightening and the scale of quantitative tightening, which currently is at a very low level. As a result, the Utrean Central Bank shall maintain the UCBIR interest rate at 0.75% or 0.75 of a percentage point in an attempt to continue working towards balancing supply and demand of certain grocery items. The Utrean Central Bank, in accordance with the Utrean government, took into account several economic indicators, forecasts, and estimations before making the decision to hike the UCBIR interest rate to a 16-month high of 0.75%. This included several Utrean economic indicators, forecasts, and estimations, as well as international economic indicators, forecasts, and estimations, including the conditions within the Canadian economy, which are always closely monitored. In today's decision, the Utrean Central Bank decided that conditions, both within Utrea and externally, warranted a hike of 0.25% or 0.25 of a percentage point. The last time, and the only time, that the UCBIR interest rate was at 0.75% was in December 2022, which was 16 months ago.